A lot of backtests start with this line of code. This uses the iterrows method to iterate over the rows of a pandas data frame. It works, but it's really slow. In this video, I'll show you how to make your backtest run 50 times faster by combining pandas with NumPy. Let's start with a basic backtest using the iterrows method. I will backtest a moving average crossover strategy and load in 5 years of 5-minute data for the S&P 500. This gives me 358,000 rows, which is a decent size of dataset. This is my backtest using iterrows to loop over the data frame, which takes 5 seconds to complete. 5 seconds might not seem that long, but this is for a single test. I may want to run multiple iterations testing different stop loss and take profits, as well as testing it on different markets. So I need this code to be lightning fast. This is where NumPy comes in. Instead of looping through the whole data frame, I only use the data that I need. This begins by extracting the relevant columns from the data frame into NumPy arrays. These can be accessed using an index value like a normal array or a Python list, but it's very quick. I then update my for loop, and instead of iterating through the data frame with iterrows, I just use a normal for loop that iterates up to the size of that dataset. My data has just over 358,000 rows, which means that this for loop will run that many times. I then access the various values that I need directly from the NumPy array using that I variable as the index. This section of code takes 115 milliseconds to run, 50 times faster than before, while still producing the exact same result. Over the course of multiple backtests, this little trick will save quite a lot of time. So if you found this useful, then leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.